Welcome back to the Knit Crowd and yarnspirations.com. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to knit 4 together. So what we have to do, like knitting 2 together, you just have done 2, knitting 3 together is 3, 4 obviously is 4. So just going in and just using your finger to stabilize it, because there's going to be a lot of yarn going on, you have to get that needle into being behind all of these. Okay, so going in and knitting and just popping it through, and so those 4 just became 1. Just like you see here. So to do this again, if you had to do it again in a row, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, going into all 4, using your finger in behind to stabilize it, going in, wrapping this. This is an unusual one, by the way. You don't use this very often, and just plop it on through. So let's try that again. Again, it does get really tight when you go to do that, and then just plop it on through like so, and those 4 just became into 1. So that's how you knit 4 together. And so that's it for now. On behalf of Yarn Inspirations and the Knit Crowd, I'm your host, Mikey.